Well, that was the last comment, and I think this is a wrap, right? Oh, wait, one more. Don't run.
It's almost a wrap. Okay, well, I have a few things to say. First, I'd like to thank the following organizations for their sponsorship that's made this wonderful event possible. That includes the Forum on Neuroscience and the Forum on the Global Forum on Innovation and Health Professional Education, the NIH, including NCCIH, NCMRR, NINCDS, and the OBSSRS. I'm abbreviating because I know half of you are at the door. Foundation for Chiropractic Progress and Academic Collaborative for Integrative Health, American Council of Academic Physical Therapy, American Occupational Therapy Association, American Physical Therapy Association, Institute of Integrative Health. I also want to thank the sterling speakers who pretty much unanimously agreed to come upon invitation. So this is the first string. This is the A team that you heard here, and whose wisdom and passion for improving care made this such an enjoyable and productive event. Also want to thank the individuals who came in person to listen and the people on the web and the questions that you contributed to enhance the breadth of this discussion. I also want to thank the National Academies team of Anna Falstrom over here, Patricia Cuff, who's over here, Claire Stroud, who's there in the back. And there are some others, I don't know your name, but thank you, who are, oh, well, hang on, I didn't forget anything. And a very special thanks to Sheena Posey Norris, the program officer at National Academies, whose masterful partnership and wizardry, I would say, and guidance of our planning committee made the planning process both productive and enjoyable. So special thanks to Sheena. 60 seconds. The presentations from the workshop will be, and the webcast video will be available on the National Academies website in the coming weeks. The proceedings will be out after that, I think. And we hope that all of you will spread the news of this event. Anyhow, thank you for being here, and safe travels.